video of our improvers solo cha-cha routine number 5. It was quite a tricky one, so I won't go too quickly, but this was taught for the full class. So if you need to look in the other playlist for the full 1 hour class where we looked at lots of these techniques, this is just the short summary. So we did a basic first, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. We then did another mambo with a hook turn, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. We did a little left side tap, 1, and then we did a little toe heel cross, 2, 3, 4. Tap out to the side on the right on 5, step back with the right foot on 6, behind, and then on 7, little flick, and then we did a little cha-cha slide. I then did a side preparation, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now that was a 1.5 turn. You could have just done half a turn. You could just do a quarter turn and face the right wall. However, in the class we did the full 1.5 and I ended up facing the back. So I did 2, 3, 4 and 5, facing the back of the room. Okay, from here I did Cuban breaks into the corner using my right foot, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Then we did the little Eddie Torres shuffle, bom, bada bom, bada bom, 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 and a bom, and a bom, and a bom, bom, bom. So you're shuffling and you're looking cool. Yes, that was the whole bar. We then did a little walk back and then a New Yorker with a turn. So I went back, back, rock, and turn, 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 turn. So I was doing 2 on the spot. It's 2.5, yes. Okay, and I'm facing the front. And then we're going to do our back sailor, back, back, and we're going to go tap, tap, back, ball, change, and then we did jump, 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 turn, round, a little bit of body movement. I'm going to do all of that with the numbers now, so listen to the numbers. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Here we go. Sorry. 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, if you're looking for the full class where we broke it down and went a lot slower, do look it up in the other playlist in the full 1 hour class in the Improvers Cha-Cha course.